Today, we're going to dive into a YouTube recipe that's been getting a ton of buzz. Why? Well, it promises something that sounds almost impossible. A rich, fudgy, decadent brownie cookie that's actually good for you. We're going to break down the recipe, for sure, but we're also going to look at the secret sauce that makes a video like this go big online. I mean, this is the classic dilemma, right? You get that craving for something super chocolatey and amazing, but you're also trying to be good, maybe cut back on sugar or gluten. It's that exact feeling that sends millions of us scrolling through the internet, just hoping to find a recipe that can deliver. And it looks like we might have found an answer. It comes from a German YouTube channel called Süß und Gesund, which, translates to sweet and healthy. Perfect name. We're going to really dig into their video for the best healthy brownie cookies and figure out what makes it work, both as a recipe and as a really smart piece of content. Okay, first things first, the formula. Let's take a look at the actual ingredients that are supposed to give us that incredible brownie experience, but without the usual suspects, like flour and sugar. So, right off the bat, you can see there's no regular wheat flour. Nope. Instead, they're using a mix of almond and rice flour, which is what makes these cookies totally gluten-free. And if you look closer, there's no sugar. All that sweetness is coming from something called erythritol. So what in the world is erythritol? Well, it's a type of sugar substitute, what they call a sugar alcohol. Now, here's the magic part. It gives you that sweet taste you want in a cookie, but our bodies don't really process it. And that means you get all the flavor, but without the calories or that big blood sugar spike. This stuff is pretty much the foundation of the whole healthy claim here. All right, so those are the key ingredients. Now let's get into how you actually put them all together. The method itself, it's surprisingly simple. The whole process is pretty standard baking stuff. You mix your dry ingredients in one bowl, then you beat some softened butter for a good 3 to 4 minutes, don't skimp on that, before you add an egg. Then you mix them together. But then you get to what is absolutely the most critical step of this whole recipe, the chill time. Yep, 20 to 30 minutes. The video makes a huge point about this. The dough is going to seem way too soft at first, but after it rests in the fridge, it becomes perfect, not sticky, and really easy to handle. This is the one step you absolutely cannot skip if you want the right texture. Now, check this out. While that dough is chilling, the creator does something really, really smart. They shift gears from just teaching you how to bake to talking directly to you. This is the first big clue that this video is about way more than just cookies. It's a genius move to keep you watching and feeling connected while you wait. Okay, so once the dough is chilled and you've formed your cookies, the actual baking is super quick and precise. We're talking 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit, for just 8 to 10 minutes. That's it. Any longer, and you're going to lose that perfect, fudgy, brownie-like center. And this brings us to the bigger picture. That little question about what city you're from, that was no accident. This video is expertly doing two things at the exact same time. It's teaching you a recipe, and it's building a loyal community. And the creator is completely open about their goal. They frame your engagement, your likes, your shares, not just as helping their channel, but as joining this bigger mission to spread the word about healthy eating. It's so clever because it makes every click feel like it has a real purpose. So here's the deal. It's this kind of unspoken agreement. The creator gives you this awesome recipe, totally for free. And in return, the audience is asked to give a little something back. Likes, shares, comments. That support helps the channel grow and reach even more people. It's the classic win-win of the creator world. And these requests are just woven in so naturally throughout the whole video. It's not just one ask. It's like a whole playbook. Like the video, share it, tell me where you're from, subscribe, and they even ask you to rate the recipe on a scale from 1 to 11. Every single one of these little actions is designed to boost the video in the YouTube algorithm and make you, the viewer, feel more invested. So let's wrap this all up. What if we really learned from taking this one little video apart? Well, on the one hand, we get the real, tangible result, this incredible-looking brownie cookie. The video shows them at the end, cooled down, drizzled with melted sugar-free dark chocolate, and sprinkled with some freeze-dried raspberries. The recipe journey is complete. The promise of a healthy but decadent treat, totally delivered. And this, right here, is the biggest takeaway of all. The content is the recipe. It's great. But the context, that's a masterclass in how to build a community online today. This video proves that it's not just about the food anymore. It's about connection, it's about getting involved, and it's about sharing a common goal. So, I'll leave you with a final thought to chew on. In this new world of online content, it's really worth asking ourselves, is the recipe the main course? Or is it maybe just the appetizer for what we're all really hungry for? A sense of community. Thanks for tuning into this breakdown.